How to load dataset in Google Colab. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can load datasets in Google Colab. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, go to the Colab, and once you're there, move your cursor to the left hand side where you will see a small folder icon. Simply click on it to open the file section. Now from there, in the top left corner of the file section, click upload to session storage, and window will pop up where you can select your dataset from a MacBook, Windows PC or laptop. Simply click OK to proceed. And once your dataset is uploaded, simply click on three dot next to the file and select copy path. Now move the code cell in Google Colab and paste the copied path using a keyboard shortcut and press enter to run the cell. You can also click the run button to execute the command. And that's it. If you have a proper dataset, it will now be uploaded and ready to use in Google Colab. If this guide was helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.